I'll bring it to break a windows there. We won't get one put apart one.
How you going, guys? It's Phil from Aussie Garage. Here today to check out this ride, mate. Perfect ride. What do you use it for?
Basically, it's a pro burnout car. So we go to Perth events and lots of country competitions. We've been up north with it lately. It is a new build for me. I ruined the old car. I eventually hit a wall and damaged it enough where I had to build another one. So I took all the drive line out and put into this. I had a VZ Ute that was like this, but I decided to put it into a tonner. And so we custom made the tray on it and stuff like that, and put all the drive line back in it and had some paint put on it, and yeah, got it to a few places lately, and awesome. It always does quite well. So yeah,
it's a bloody lot of motor in there.
It is. It's a 5.7, so it's still an LS1. It's just got the cam, valve springs, oil pump and all that. We rev it to 72. It's on the 85 twin carb. It's got an 871 on it, and yeah, turbo 400 transmission. Not too much, just something that'll get the job done, and it's a lot of fun.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. It definitely looks the part, and notice you've got all the straps holding it down to make sure it doesn't fly up.
Yeah, no, that's all the tech that you need. So if we take it to places like Perth, it's just the safety, but why wouldn't you have it? You don't want it flying off, I guess.
No, definitely not.
If it pops, it kind of stays there. So yeah, but yeah, no, great fun. We get it around, we try and get it all up north. We've been up north with it the other month, and
awesome.
Yeah, I managed to get stuck in the turnaround, and that's with the front bumper only just touched the wall in it.
Oh, yeah.
But that's it, that's all part of racing. So
yeah, that's it. So how long have you owned this one or rebuilt this one?
So this one, I think I've had it together just over a year and a half now. I've owned the blown setup for almost 5 years now.
Awesome.
And before that, I've still got a naturally aspirated car that I've nearly owned for 9 years, but that's still a
fair enough.
So yeah, I just bought this one today because everyone seems to want to see the blown cars.
Yeah, no, that's fair enough. So I mean, have you got any others in your collection at home?
I've got a VU, which is just a VU SSU, which is an 02 model. And that's just naturally aspirated with an LS1, and that just makes about 400 horsepower. And this one here is just shy of 700 at the wheels.
Jeez.
So it's not too bad. Some of them are a lot higher, but it still gets the job done. And it competes quite well with the others, but so I presume we're going to see you at Motivation and stuff like those kind of places, or the burnout factory? Can do. I've got a couple of little things I've got to do first, because now they've got to have fire suits, so I've got to buy myself a tailor fit fire suit so I can get back to the Motorplex. But a couple of the country comps and that, just because it's E85, I've been avoiding the fire suit thing, because methanol and all that, they've got to have fire suits now for the new season they had. So that's the new ruling. So I'll get that sorted, and then I'll be back at the Motorplex.
Yeah, awesome. So what's the next event for this one?
I think I might take it over to Kalgoorlie, which is November 9th, I think. So we might go back over to Kalgoorlie, because I lived there for 4 years and only just come back to Jordan, which is my hometown. But I hold a pretty good placing over there. I've won it for the last 3 years.
Oh, perfect.
So I think I might go back and just stir everyone up again. So
absolutely.
That'll probably be the next one it'll go to, and if I get it all sorted by then, we might try and get it to Motivation. If there's any entries still available.
Absolutely.
Normally that fills out pretty quick.
Well, absolutely, But mate, it's a perfect ride. I love the colour on it as well, which is great.
It's painted by Outlaw Customs in Jordan.
Perfect. Awesome. So most of the mechanical work is done by you, or done by locals around here?
Put the motor together and all that myself. Transmission was sourced from the States, just because compared to the dollar and everything, you can get a better transmission from over there for what you can cost to build them here. Blower on that's just all an old second-hand blower on that was rebuilt. It's all Teflon stripped and that, which is all top of the was, but just put it together bits and pieces, and sometimes if you blow one up and you can get bits that are still good out of it, put it in the other one. Don't throw it all away.
No, that's it. You got to make sure it's right.
No, I've only ever hurt one motor in this blown combo. But all it was I forgot to turn the fans on once and it backfired and bent a conrod.
Oh,
so that's all I've done.
Yeah.
I actually haven't blown one completely to bits yet, but I reckon when it does, it'll be a spectacular show, I reckon.
No, awesome, mate. Well, look, thanks for talking to us here at Aussie Garage.
No worries.
Appreciate it, buddy.
Too easy. Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
Cheers, guys.
How you going, guys? Here with Steve. It's Phil from Aussie Garage. Mate, tell us about your ride.
Well, it's a 1940 Ford.
Yep.
Where to begin? It's been chopped, channeled, and widened.
Yep.
Blown, of course, now.
Absolutely.
Burnout car.
Yep.
Was built in 2008. Been flogged to death ever since.
Yep.
Got a good bunch of mates, and we all have rivals.
Yep.
Paint, no paint. Been to quite a few shows. Bit of a people's choice.
That's awesome.
I encourage people to jump in and take photos.
Yep.
It's not one of these cars that you barricade off.
Yeah.
It's on a 2005 Hilux chassis.
Yep. I think your mate said he had to cut the chassis down the middle just to widen it out, and then weld it all back together again.
Yeah, we cut the cab in half and widened it. I'm a cancer survivor.
Oh, awesome.
When they cut me open, they stapled you back together, 58 staples. So there's 58 staples in it.
That's awesome.
Just to prove that nothing can slow you down.
Yep.
Hindu prosperity love symbol on the door.
Yep.
Well, it's 99% of it came from the Q rubbish tip.
Yeah.
We chopped it up and welded it back. I've got some good mates. We all lend each other a hand.
Yep.
We all take the piss, you know, it's all good.
Absolutely.
One of the first people to help each other out. The big mate behind me there is pretty good.
Yeah.
If he can't fix something, it's definitely broken.
Yeah.
We run burnouts. We do all Hogan wheels.
Yep.
So we're not all mismatched like we used to be.
Yep.
Now we're into E85.
Yep.
So you just take one big drum of fuel. You don't have to have 50 different little drums.
Yeah.
And a day like today, what more could you want?
Yeah, it's perfect, isn't it?
Some beautiful cars here.
Yeah, absolutely. It's a great turnout here, isn't it?
Yes. It's just an awesome place to come.
Yep.
Especially for people that travel. Once they get to Donga here, it's lovely. Good people.
Yep.
Everyone's pretty friendly. It's just good.
So what's next with this ride, mate? What's your next event?
Apparently next weekend at Morriwall.
Okay, yep.
But I've only borrowed that supercharger, so see how it goes.
Yeah.
The original motor's getting tinkered with.
Okay, yep.
But yeah, we'll go anywhere. We went to Newman for a show.
Yep.
It was good.
So what, 302 or 351 in there?
That is an old 302.
Awesome. They still go hard, mate.
It does. It's just mainly for looks.
At the end of the day, mate, these are sought after rides like the Rat Rod look.
Yeah.
They're very sought after at the moment, and people are doing lots to their cars.
They're big in the States. Not so big out here, and always get asked what colour are you going to paint it. People say it's going to take a lot to restore it, and when you tell them it's finished, this is this, they go, oh, you're not going to paint it.
No, well, why would you?
Yeah.
It looks good like this.
Yeah. The sun visor, there's an addition from a mate.
Yep.
He took over the farm from his dad, which took over the farm from his dad. The wooden floorboards are out of the shearing shed.
Yeah.
We've got an old export beer can, we glued that on.
Yep.
It has a stereo, as you can see.
Yeah.
Just little things that people have, and they go, oh, do you want this? Do you want that?
Yep.
And then in return, I'll go and give them a hand with something. So it's a big family.
Perfect. Yeah.
It's awesome, you know. If people ask about it, we'll tell them. There's no secrets, you know.
Well, that's what I'm part of the West Coast Banners, and basically that's what we do. If anyone needs a part or something, you just put it out there, and then everyone just goes, yeah, I got this, and then they all come over and help.
Exactly. I work for a surveying company in Geraldton, so I'm out bush all the time.
Yeah.
I'm a board man, of course, but if I find an old Holden, I'll ring a mate or two and I'll say, are you looking for this part, are you looking for that part? And people go, oh, you just can't get those parts anymore. And I'm going, well, there's a car right here.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
Which bit do you want? So it's all good. It's $10 a photo, mate.
I got to make building one.
No, it's going to cost you more than $15 for inside information. But it's all just fun, you know. I encourage people to open the doors and hop in, take photos.
No, that's awesome, mate.
More, you know?
Like, I love the old bike on the back.
The
and I love how
dragster,
it
yeah,
sits
where'd you
and
get that
everything.
shit?
That my younger sister had an antique shop.
Yep.
And it was at the back because it was rusty and no one wanted it. And I went, yes please, yes please.
Absolutely, yeah.
But it's all little things from 2008 till now. Like the little bit of chain on the headlights, just little things that you add onto it. And of course there's no plastic rats on it.
Yeah, yeah. No, it's perfect. I love it. No, it's a great little ride, mate. Well, look, mate, thanks for talking to us at Aussie Garage and appreciate it. And have a good day.
I will. Thank you.
Excellent.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
mate.